Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today, ibang model naman ng HP laptop ang i-vlog natin, which is the HP OmniBook 14. Sabi nila, ito daw ang replacement model ng Envy or Pavilion. And we all know that those models are the premium laptops of HP. Samahan niyo ako, tingnan natin kung ano ang maganda at pangit dito sa HP OmniBook 14. This is the box of the HP OmniBook. Parang medyo mas presentable siya compared sa mga standard na consumer laptops. Once you open it, we have here the laptop and then we also have here the printed materials niya. And of course, nandito rin yung kanyang charger. And the charger is 45 watts, the Type-C charger. So alam niyo naman na, ang mga laptops ngayon ay Type-C charger na, wherein you could actually use your phone to charge this and also your laptop. And we have dalawang saksakan, no? Ito yung ginagamit natin sa Pilipinas, which is this one. And this one, mapapansin nyo, we don't really use this much, pero may advantage to pag ito ang ginagamit nyo kasi meron tong fuse. In case na magkaroon ng power shortage, hindi yung laptop ang masisira, kundi yung fuse lang nito. And they also have this sling bag. So ngayon ko lang na-appreciate, parang ang ganda ng kanyang sling bag, and it is actually maganda ang kanyang quality. It's not a gaming bag, pero if you're just the person you need for work purposes, okay itong sling bag na to. And I just noticed, no, nasabi nga dito, made from recycled bottles. Your bag has used 22 bottles. Wow. Recycling ngayon si HP. Enough of this. Pero yun lang. Na-appreciate ko yung bag ni HP. Ang ganda. Now, let's talk about the laptop, which is this HP OmniBook 14. Anong meron dito sa laptop na to? It's not the standard laptop. Ang tawag nila dito is a 2-in-1 laptop. It can be a laptop like this or it can be a tablet mode. Kaya siya tinawag na 2-in-1 laptop. You can actually do a tent mode on this one like this. And you can also do it like this if you have a keyboard and mouse here. Ang napansin ko dito, no, I was checking the commercial of this HP OmniBook. It comes with a pen. But upon checking the box, walang pen tong kasama tong HP OmniBook na yun. There are some HP OmniBook na may kasamang pen, but this model that we have here does not have a pen, wherein this is a touchscreen laptop. I'm sorry, pero let's be 100% transparent on this YouTube channel na pag may maganda, sasabihin natin, at kung may pangit, sasabihin din natin. Ano meron sa HP OmniBook? Now, we have different kinds or iba-iba categories ng laptop. Meron tayo tinatawag na consumer, meron tayo tinatawag na budget gaming laptop, and then we got the premium gaming laptop, and then we also have the premium laptop na hindi naman gaming laptop. For HP, if you're looking for a budget laptop, dyan papasok si HP Laptop 14 or HP Laptop 15. If you're looking for a budget gaming laptop, dyan papasok si HP Victus. And then, for a premium gaming laptop, dyan naman papasok si HP Omen. Now, there are some customers na hindi naman kailangan ng gaming laptop, but they want a premium design, a premium looking laptop, yung talagang maganda, good quality. Diyan papasok yung mga HP Premium, which is the HP Pavilion and the HP Envy. Now, if you're looking for just a laptop na good quality, yung mga touchscreen or yung mga lightweight, yung mga gagandang features maliban sa pagiging gaming laptop, diyan papasok si HP OmniBook. Itong HP OmniBook na hawak natin, this is a touchscreen na 360 flip. Ang maganda naman dito kay HP OmniBook is hindi siya ganun kamahalang katulad ng mga HP Envy. I think isa to sa mga budget na 360 flip na laptop touchscreen na in case na naghahanap ka ng ganun, I think bagay na bagay sa inyo to. Kaya ako rin sinabing budget kasi nga walang pen. I'm not sure kung talagang sinama nila sa costing yung pen, pero maganda sana kung may kasama tong pen. Sasama talaga natin sa konsya mamaya. Before we go to the specification and everything else, ang SRP nito sa labas is around mga nasa 55,000. But here in Laptop Factory, we're selling it below 50,000. Is the price right? Mahal ba ang kanyang presyo or swak ba or sulit ba? Ngayon, tingnan natin yung specification nito kung worth it naman dun sa price na yon. Before we go to the specifications, let's check the unit itself. This HP OmniBook 5 that I have here is color blue. Dati kasi yung mga laptop is color black or it's color gray. Ngayon, nauuso na yung medyo may pagka-color blue na laptop. Even my HP, this one, this is actually color blue laptop. We're gonna do a different video on this one, okay? Now, about the ports, we have here a USB Type-A, may icon na 10 GB per second, the HDMI, and dalawang Type-C, which also have a same icon of a 10 GB per second. On the other side, we have here a USB Type-A, but the indication on this one is only 5 GB per second, and an audio combo jack. And on the back, we have here the HP logo. Sa ilalim naman, we have here the fans. We have a QR code here. I think this is for the HP support, and then the vents, intake, and the out on this one. And dito sa harap, this is a 14-inch backlit keyboard with a sticker of a Core 5. And this is a tracking pad. There's a logo of the Omnibook here. Now, let's talk about the weight of this HP Omnibook. The weight of this HP Omnibook is 1.5 kilograms. About the dimension of this, for the length, we have here 12.1 inch. For the depth, this is 8.75 inch. And then for the height, this is 0.75 inch. And the viewing angle of this laptop is a 360 degrees flip because it is 2-in-1 laptop and it is a touchscreen. Now, let's proceed with the specification of this HP Omnibook. Kung sulit ba yung worth na around below 50,000 for this laptop. The current model that we have here is HP Omnibook 5 Flip laptop that is 14-FP0060TU. Ngayon, maraming model itong HP Omnibook. There comes with the 14-inch and there comes the 16-inch. May mga ibang Omnibook na hindi 360 flip, but this one, ito yung talagang pinili natin. The 14-inch, it's because this is also a 360 flip. Because we all know that there are some customers are still looking for a portable and mas accessible na laptop. The processor that we have here is Intel Core 5, that's 120U. The memory of this laptop is 16 gig while the storage is 512 SSD. And this comes with a free Microsoft Office lifetime. Currently, meron ulit na HP GCash promo ngayon ang HP. Now, the word currently, kasi dati nag-stop yung GCash niya. It just resumed this November 18. And that's a good news. However, there's also a bad news on the GCash. Dati, ang mga GCash na mga ganitong unit, dati mga nasa 2,000. Ngayon, ang GCash na lang nito is worth mga nasa 1,500. However, ngayon may bagong promo na rin si HP na I think meron silang raffle, may mga iba't ibang mga giveaways ang ibibigay ni HP. We're just gonna send out the link ko ano yung mga promo ni HP ngayon. This is not initiative ni Laptop Factory. Probably you're having claiming in HP GCash. Of course, we're also sorry about that. But limit lang yung kung ano yung kaya namin gawin doon. Kasi ang GCash promo pa rin ay coming from HP, not coming from Laptop Factory. Just to clear about that. So the resolution of this laptop is 1920 by 1200. This laptop is a WXGA. Aspect ratio is 19 by 10. Yung max brightness nito is up to 300 nits. Let's check the camera. Okay, camera test on this HP Omnibook. Well, actually okay siya. Maganda ang kanyang camera quality. If I'm gonna rate this, this is around mga 8 out of 10. And, ayun, no, swabe naman, smooth naman. And what you're hearing right now is the audio quality coming from this HP Omnibook. Okay, camera test on this HP Omnibook. Well, actually okay siya. Maganda ang kanyang camera quality. If I'm gonna rate this, this is around mga 8 out of 10. Audio quality, klaro naman, pero that volume is already 100%. Hindi ganun kalakasan yung kanyang sounds, pero maganda naman yung sound quality niya. And yung sound quality na yun is actually based on the microphone na nag-in dito and then nag-out dito sa speaker. And by the way, the speakers nandito pala sa ilalim. So what's underneath this HP Omnibook 5? We all know, or 99% of 2-in-1 laptops hindi na talaga upgradable. But, you know, just for the sake of this video, at least malay mo, upgradable to. As we expected. Hindi na siya upgradable, but let's see kung ano yung mga parts na narito. We got here the fan, we have here the Wi-Fi card, we have here the memory, which is currently on 16 gig. And onboard na rin yung memory na to. Hindi siya yung natatanggal at napapalit. And the storage is here, this is the 512 SSD. So, I think ang pwede mo lang palitan dito is the storage. Like, palitan ng 1 tera or 2 tera tong 512. Just a recap, no? There's no more additional memory slot because the memory is on board. And then, for the storage, yes, natatanggal yung 512, napapalitan siya pero hindi nadadagdagan. And we have here the battery, we got the speakers, and just to sum it up, tulad na sinabi ko kanina, ang 2-in-1 laptops, 99% hindi na na-upgrade. But just for the sake of this video, at least malay nyo, nagbabaka sakali tayo na pwedeng i-upgrade to. And the warranty of this laptop comes with a 1-week replacement. Anything happen, dead pixel or defects sa keyboard, pinapalitan natin dito sa Laptop Factory. And afterwards, we have 2 years warranty from any HP service center. Now, let's proceed with the pros and the cons of this HP OmniBook. Let's start with the cons. Number 1, wala siyang kasamang pen. We are expecting for a 360 laptop na may kasamang pen. I'm not sure kung nagtitipid ba si HP dito. Another cons on this one. By the way, sana may mga pink variant sila na ganito, no? Yung mga pale pink ganyan. Hindi may pink na, no? Kasi may mga customers pa rin tayo na naghahanap ng, yung tech tinatanong.
Ma'am, anong specs po hanap nyo?
Sasabihin ng customers.
Yung color pink.
It comes with a color blue. We're hoping na meron color white or color pink variant ito. And I think meron naman kasi meron yung color blue. Isa rin sa mga cons na napansin namin dito, yes, maganda yung sound quality niya, but yung max, yung decibels niya, masyado mahina. Kanina, I played it on 100%. Sakto lang yung sounds niya para sa isang tao, but if you're a group of people watching here in the HP OmniBook, baka mahinaan kayo. Another cons sa laptop na ito, since this is a 2-in-1 laptop, hindi na upgradable yung laptop na ito. Let's talk about the pros on this HP OmniBook. The reason why kaya binibili itong HP OmniBook is not just because it's a standard laptop. But what we call this is a 2-in-1 laptop. Pwede maging laptop, pwede maging tablet. Of course, if this is tablet mode, touchscreen na yan. And habang touchscreen to, nadi-disable yung keyboard dito sa likod. And pwede rin siyang temp mode na katulad nito. And the pros, well, comes with the Microsoft Office lifetime, and yung presyo niya, hindi worth 80 o 70 o 90,000 katulad ng mga HP Envy. Ang tawag niya dito is budget premium gaming 2-in-1 laptop. Kung yan nahanap niya. Isa sa mga pros din na napansin ko dito, yung kanya, hindi talaga sa laptop which is yung kanyang bag. Nagagandahan ako sa kanyang bag. Na-appreciate ko yung kanyang bag. It is number 1, it is recycled. And number 2 is a sling bag. Maganda yung sling bag kasi if you already have a backpack, you don't need another backpack for a laptop. So ito is an option. You have a backpack and then you have this sling bag. I think nasabi ko ng lahat tungkol dito sa HP OmniBook. In case you're interested, available to on our stores nationwide. In case na hindi naman available to sa store natin, makikita nyo naman to sa ibang store. At least napanood nyo sa amin tapos sa iba nyo binili. Okay lang. Okay lang. Just kidding aside, no? Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Kahit sa iba na lang kayo bumili, basta dito, like and subscribe on this channel will be much appreciated. Tapos na tayo sa mga pag-video ng mga Asus, HP naman tayo. Kung may feedback or comment kayo dito, just comment down below and tell me kung ano yung mga sunod na laptop na i-review natin. And yun ang i-review natin. Okay? Thank you so much! Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Maraming salamat. God bless you.